Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to speed up Edge in terms of its browsing and downloading performance. So let's get started. First is you need to open your Microsoft Edge. Just double tap to open, and once you open your Microsoft Edge, just expand it, okay? And go for the upper right side of your screen. As you can see here, it has these three dots. Just simply click that to see settings and more. Then scroll down to find settings. After you open your settings, just click to open. Okay? So once you're being redirected to the settings, go to the left side of it and find Start Home and View tab. Then after that, just simply click that. Here, under when Edge starts, make sure that this three option open these pages is enabled. And here, aligning these pages, you can see add a new page. Just simply click that and you can enter a website or URL that you want to be in your homepage. So let's say, for example, let's add Facebook. Just click on add and it will be added in your homepage. Okay? So the next step is we need to go for extensions. How? Just simply locate again the three dots here and then find for extensions. Then go for manage extensions. Hit that and here from other sources, make sure that there is no sources enabled here. If there is, or if there is some extensions listed or appeared here, just simply click on removed and the extension will be removed. Okay? So the next step is you need to go for the three dots again and then scroll down to go back settings. Okay? Go to the left side again and look for cookies and site permissions. Here, you need to make sure that location, camera, microphone under all permission should ask first. Okay? You need to make sure that this is turned on because the moment you open any sites, it will ask you before accessing. Okay? Before accessing your location. That's very important. And might as well here in the camera. Okay, let me just scroll down. In as well as the microphone, it should be stated here ask first. Okay? So after that, let's proceed to the next step, the very important step. This will help your downloading performance better. Just type edge colon forward slash flags, then click enter to continue. Here you can see here a search icon. Search for download. Okay? And go for this first highlighted one, parallel downloading. So once you enabled it, it will make or accelerate the downloaded speed. Just have to enable that, and the moment you download, it will be faster. Okay? So those are the steps on how to speed up your Microsoft Edge. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated into our upcoming videos. See you next time and take care. Bye bye.